Are you stressed or is it actually anxiety? Because trust me, there is a difference and most of us mix the two up. Hi, I'm Isha and welcome to episode 2 of This Is What Anxiety Looks Like. Today we are going to talk about something that confuses almost everyone. The thin blurry line between stress and anxiety. Because for the longest time, even I didn't know the difference. So let's talk about it. So this is my story where I messed up. Back when everything was happening with my physical symptoms, the breathlessness, the urge to pee at night, the body pain, I kept telling myself, ye bas stress hai. I'm just overworked and it will pass. Stress felt like such a normal word. Everyone around me used it very casually. But the truth, what I was feeling wasn't normal stress. It was anxiety quietly building and taking over my body. And that's what happens with so many of us. So let's talk about what's the difference and let me break it down simply for you. Stress comes from outside and anxiety comes from inside. So stress has a very clear reason. So it can be your exams, deadlines, conflict, work pressure, relationship issues, etc. etc. So you know what is bothering you. But in anxiety, sometimes there is no obvious reason at all. Your mind just doesn't slow down, you keep overthinking. Your body always stays alert, even when nothing is actually happening. So basically, stress reduces when the situation is over. For example, the exam is done, the work project is done, and you feel the relief. But anxiety, it stays even after things are fine. It keeps whispering, what if this happens? What if things go wrong? It loops, it repeats. A little stress pushes you to act, but anxiety, it actually drains you. It makes you freeze and it makes even small tasks feel impossible. So now let's talk about the physical difference the most people ignore. Stress might give you mild headache, slight tension, tiredness, but anxiety can hit deeper. Stomach issues, insomnia, frequent urination, emotional overwhelm. I have covered all the points in detail in episode 1, so if you want to dive deeper, then check out episode 1. Also, if your physical symptoms stay even when your life seems normal, that's anxiety, not stress. Okay, so now let's talk about why this difference even matters. Because when you keep calling anxiety just stress, you delay getting help. You ignore your body. You wait for something to change, but it doesn't. And slowly, silently, anxiety becomes your new normal. It did for me, and it took me years to even realize it. So, what should you do? You can do this small exercise. Start by asking yourself, is this coming from an actual situation or is this coming from inside me? And if the symptom stays for a week or start affecting your sleep or show up in your body, please talk to a professional. I said the same thing in my last 2 videos as well. Therapy helps, medication helps, understanding yourself helps even more. There's nothing weak about taking help. In fact, I think it's the bravest thing you can do. And please get this, your mind isn't your enemy. It's just overwhelmed and asking you to take care of it before it breaks down. If this felt relatable, if it is giving you any kind of clarity, then stay with me for episode 3 of This Is What Anxiety Looks Like, because we are just getting started.